Yeah man, I just want to send out a big shout out to all my viewers and my likes and my subscribers. Then you see me I say? Yeah man, special big up to all Unu, you see me? Yeah man. So this is all about the Trinityville River. You see me? So that's what I go on. So we kind of have a little stoppage of rain right now because it's a little more rain will fall again. So the water is getting clean now, you know, but if a little more rain fall, you know, say the dirt can get heavier. So this is how it look. Because this river have been here from centuries and never dry. Never dry. So this is a blessing river, you know. Never dry. It's only because the kids them up with their school and so you want to sleep in the night and up and down and overnight, you know. So this is a blessing river, you know, because it have never dry. Yeah man, for real man, never dry. Right now a lot of people don't want to take a truck off in the night right now, don't it? I don't lie me I tell. So right now me just take a truck off in the night and I feel fresh. Yeah man, so them call it Nega River, you see? Yeah man, Nega River. Yeah man, that's a Janga night right now, me I tell you, it's a Janga and fish. Just soon see the man then come out with a fishing line and catch fish, you know? Real man, so it's a nice sight, it's a beautiful sight. As well you can see the mountain them. Yeah man, mountain all over, mango tree, apple tree, guinea tree. Yeah man. Well you can see the goat them a go home. Yeah man. Nice Rami and sheep goat and little kid. Yeah man. Pick up yourself, Bunny. Yeah man. So the boss are running in goat them, you know. Yeah man. So that's how everything setting up. Yeah man, it's a beautiful sight. Pretty mountain, pretty trees. Yeah man. Beautiful. But me I tell you, so when the rain fall and a river come down, it's not pretty. Because it take force over the wall and bank inside there.